Assalamu alaikum. I'm a student of Rehan AI Teacher Training Bootcamp, and today I'm going to review the TED Talk "Stop Teaching, Start Learning" by Mariapan Jawahirial. In this review, we will explore his main idea and understand why he believes our education needs a major shift from traditional teaching to real learning. Dr. Jawaharlal begins by explaining that teaching is not the same as learning. He shares his own educational journey from school to becoming an engineer and an educator, and how most of his learning came from doing, experiencing, and engaging, not just being taught fact in classrooms. He argues that traditional education often focuses too much on teachers delivering information and not enough on students actually learning. In many classrooms, teachers focus on covering content quickly through lectures and slides, but this doesn't guarantee that students truly understand or retain what they are taught. Mary Appen gives powerful examples from childhood learning, like how we learn to walk or talk. Children learn walking through repeated attempts, falling, trying again, and resisting, not by someone lecturing them about walking. Similarly, he explains how children naturally pick up language with interaction and practice, not through formal lessons. He emphasizes that real learning happens when students are actively engaged, curious, and emotionally connected to the subject. Instead of dumping information into students' minds, educators should help students explore, ask questions, and discover meaning for themselves. Stories, hand on activities, and real experiences are great ways to create engagement and make learning meaningful. Dr. Jawaharial also highlights that simplifying complex ideas and explaining them clearly is essential. If a concept cannot be explained in simple terms, then the teacher may not truly understand it themselves. This approach helps students connect better with the material and understand deeply rather than just memorizing facts. In conclusion, this talk is thought provoking that inspiring Mariapan Jawaharlal reminds us that education should be about learning, not just teaching, and that when we focus on sparking curiosity, engagement, and understanding, students become more motivated, confident, and successful learners. Thank you for listening. Allah Hafiz.